Hi, Boba. Hello, hello. It is pouring rain out, and Boba's looking particularly scruffy right now because she got rained on. Oh, you smell like wet dog, Boba. It's pouring rain. You can probably hear the rain hitting the AC that is in front on this window right behind the camera. I really wanted to open my planner, and I can't wait any longer. I ordered my 2026 planner from Nico Neko Zakaya, which is a very, very cute stationery store here in New York City. I like to try and order my planners from local stores if possible, and Nico Neko was stocking my Take a Note planner this year, so I ordered. I'm very excited. I have had this since I think like mid-November, and I have been waiting to open it so I could open it with you guys. I use the Take a Note A6 planner, which is a Taiwanese brand planner. It has won like some planner awards, I think. I really like it. I used to use the Hobonichi Techo, which is a similar A6 planner with Tomoe River paper, which is fountain pen friendly paper. And I switched to using the Take a Note, one, because I thought it would be very fun to be able to support a Taiwanese brand. The Take a Note is 2 days per page as opposed to the Hobonichi Techo, which is 1 day per page. I like it better because it means that I have less to like fill up in the page, because I like a pretty filled planner page, as you will see in these spreads that I'm showing you right now. Hi, Boba. So I repurchased the Take a Note for next year, and I also got the Travelers Company dated inserts, regular size dated inserts, because I am very interested in trying out using a second planner situation. I have been really wanting to start a hobby journal where I am tracking the hobbies that I am engaging in. So my books that I'm reading, my craft projects that I'm working on, maybe even like my video games that I've been playing. Like I play a lot of Minecraft, and I think it'd be fun to like print out little pictures of my Minecraft builds and like put them in my hobby planner. I think it'd be a really fun little capture of all of the like fun hobby things I've been working on throughout the year, and it'd be fun to flip through at the end, you know? So without further ado, let's open this package. I'm so excited. Hi, baby. Let's find my X-Acto knife. And I am going to open this package. Do you think I can save this tape? Nope. Immediately ripped. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's open these together. Hi, Boba. Ooh, there's some extra little goodies in here. So Nico Neko sent a little business card, which is very cute. I think I'm gonna keep that. And then also sent this little piece of paper. I don't know what this is, but it's very cute. I like the clover a lot. I love a clover. And then here is my little haul. Here's my little haul. So this is the Take a Note, and this is the regular inserts. But hey, don't lick my planner. Let's open the Take a Note first. So the Take a Note comes in a very lovely collectible box, which it has done for every year I've gotten one. It came in a little box. Ooh, okay, so this year I guess it came in a like envelope type situation instead of a box, which is fun. I like this envelope. It saves a little bit of paper because I never really know what to do with these anyway. This is how the planner looks. This is a really beautiful like warm gray color. They change their cover color every year. Last year it was this green color. And so this year, or I guess for 2026, next year, it's gonna be this really pretty warm gray color. I like that they always do a neutral color because it just feels, I don't know, I like a neutral color desk area, and then I like to put all my stickers inside, you know, to make it all fun and colorful. I'm gonna carefully X-Acto blade this shrink wrap. Okay, I think the mini planner only comes in a Chinese version, but the A5 size comes in English as well. I don't find it very obtrusive. As you can see, the text is very, very small. So for example, this is one spread. So you get two days per page, and it has a very tiny little Chinese like lunar date, I think, on the side, but you can barely see it. The Hobonichi has a lot more obtrusive text, in my opinion, because the way it looks is they have like the day, and then they have a bunch of like sayings and stuff under here, which is fine if you like that. I like to have the whole page to myself, so I do really appreciate that. I think it looks so pretty. I love the binding of this. It's just thread bound like this, so it opens all the way flat, which is actually very handy. Once my planner gets very full, it gets like very chunky, I end up being able to just flip part of this like this, so I can write like this. So it's a little bit flatter on the table surface without it making it hard to write on the planner. And then apart from this, it also came with a little thank you card and a bookmark, a calendar bookmark, which has all of the months for 2026 on it. I think this is it's a beautiful cardstock with like pressed text on it, letterpress text. Oh, this is really sweet. I've never really noticed this, but on the bookmark it says the most important kind of freedom is to be what you really are. That's really nice. Yeah, so this is that planner. And then I also, like I said, got the Memo Traveler's Notebook Diary, which I've never gotten before, so I'm very excited. It comes with this little piece of paper which tells you what you bought. Well, it tells you the diary information. And then it came with this 2026 guide. Oh, this is very cute. So it says Traveler's Notebook 2026 guide for all the travelers who have a free spirit, with this really lovely little illustration on it. And then on the inside, it has some, I think it's like the brand statement of the Travelers Company. And then on the back, oh, this is really nice. It has all of the different types of inserts you can get. I personally have, I think, the Camel Traveler's Notebook. I'm very excited to put these inserts into my Traveler's Notebook. And then it came with this sticker to customize. It says the Traveler's Spirit Preservation Society. Very cute. And then these are the two inserts. Oh, they're a really lovely blue color. I'm not sure if they change the color every year because it's my first year getting them, but the different blue, so this one is January to June, and then this one is July to December. Each insert comes with a page for a calendar page for the year for 2026 and 2027. And then it comes with a little agenda type, like list agenda type, so you can mark off important dates. And then what I'm really interested in is, yes, it has the weekly horizontal dates on this side for the actual planner part, and then this side is a grid page memo, and the color of the page is like a pretty cream, it's like a pale cream color. It's not too yellow. I find that I don't really like yellow paper. I prefer a very white page, which is another reason why I like the Take a Note planner, because the Hobonichi, not the Techo, but the Hobonichi Weeks has yellow paper, and I don't really like that very much. This one is a little bit cream colored and not super white, but that's okay. I'm planning on covering this with like little notes and stuff, so I'm very excited. I'm very excited to use these. Oops. To use these for next year. Yeah, I thought it'd be fun to open our planners together. Let me know in the comments what planner you are using for 2026, and if you also have done multiple planners, or if you are a one planner kind of girl. I have usually been a one planner only kind of girl, where I do all of the journaling and all of the planning all together on one spread like this, where I'll have like notes and then I'll have like journaling, you know? Normally that's how I do it, but I'm excited to try out something a little bit different for next year, so I can have a dedicated hobby space, because this planner, while I love it very dearly, I started to track my reading at the back, and as you can see, I ran out of space for all of the books, and I would really like to be able to write more of a little bit of a review of each book, because I have already forgotten I've already forgotten the plot of a lot of these books that I've read. So I'm excited. That's it for this little video. I just thought it'd be fun to do a little unboxing together. I hope you are having a really lovely weekend. I hope you are excited for 2026 the way I am. And thank you for being part of my cozy little space on the internet. I will see you next week with a normal little art vlog, I think. I'll see you all very soon, okay? Bye, friends.